Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the diligence Pandy, an emotional healing plush marketed as a high-tech stress relief miracle using something called Cuddle Motion AI technology. It supposedly mimics the warmth and gentle movement of a real hug with its soft fur and lifelike presence. It sounds lovely, promising to release oxytocin and melt your tension away, but does it actually work, or is it just a glorified beanbag with a fancy marketing budget? Let's break down this Cuddle Motion AI nonsense. They love using the word AI, but they're remarkably shy about explaining how it actually functions, providing zero details on sensors, motors, or what's actually moving inside. Apparently, we're just supposed to trust the magic without knowing if it runs on electricity or pure imagination. Speaking of power, there's absolutely no information about the battery. Does it charge via USB? Or do you have to sacrifice a small forest of doubles every week? The total silence on technical specs is a massive red flag that screams, we haven't actually built this yet. Then we have the marketing, which is a masterclass in desperation, featuring aggressive discounts, countdown timers, and science-backed claims that likely come from the University of Trust Me Bro. This kind of pressure selling is designed to make you rush a purchase before your brain has a chance to realize how sketchy this is. If the product is so revolutionary, why do the photos and videos look like they were cooked up by a budget AI generator instead of showing a real person holding a real toy? It's almost as if they're hiding the fact that the lifelike movement doesn't actually exist in the physical world. The website reviews are another highlight, featuring glowing, copy-pasted praise that feels about as authentic as a $3 bill. We checked Trustpilot and Reddit for any sign of life, and surprise, surprise, there's absolutely nothing genuine to be found. When you combine vague tech, missing battery specs, pushy sales tactics, and suspicious reviews, the Pandy looks less like a healing companion and more like a high-speed way to lose your money. Personally, I'd keep my wallet closed and maybe just hug a real pillow instead. Thanks for watching, stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.